How AI will transform human creativity forever. Human creativity has always been constrained by two things: the cost of execution and the speed of iteration. AI collapses both. What once demanded years of training or a team of specialists now requires a clear idea and a few well-crafted instructions. That shift does not erase artists. It elevates them, moving attention from technique to taste, from labor to vision. The first transformation is frictionless making. A writer can conjure concept art, soundtracks, motion graphics, and a landing page in a single afternoon. A filmmaker prototypes scenes with synthetic locations and stunt pre-visualizations before stepping onto set. A designer generates dozens of layout variants while keeping typography and brand constraints intact. The toolset becomes an extension of thought, translating intent into assets at conversational speed. The second transformation is creative scale. Because drafts are cheap, artists explore breadth before committing to depth. They compare styles, experiment with pacing, test 3 endings, and solicit audience feedback early. This multiplies originality, not mediocrity, when creators use AI to widen the search and then use taste to choose. The most valuable creative skill becomes curation, sensing what resonates, cutting what does not, and refining until it sings. Third, collaboration acquires a new partner. Machine co-authors are not muses. They are mirrors and engines. They suggest structures, surface references, and propose left-field connections that might take a human months to stumble upon. Crucially, they also accept constraint. You can teach a model your palette, your voice, your no-go lines, and it will hold that shape. Teams will form around directors of taste who orchestrate both humans and models toward a coherent aesthetic. New careers bloom at the edges. Prompt composers, world builders, interactive story designers, voice and likeness stewards, dataset curators, AI sound engineers, and experienced dramaturgists join the credits. Live performances become generative, adapting to audience mood and venue acoustics. Publishing expands into living works that update over time, with provenance tools preserving version history and royalties flowing to contributors. Global access explodes. A teenager with a cheap laptop in Lagos or Lahore can ship a polished visual album, an indie game, or a serialized graphic novel to a global audience. Gatekeepers still matter: platforms, tastemakers, communities, but the door opens wider when execution is no longer the tax on imagination. The best stories will still be human at the core. Specific, vulnerable, rooted in real lives. AI cannot supply that. It can only amplify it. Challenges are real. Authenticity and credit must be traceable. Training data should respect rights and consent. Audiences deserve disclosure when voices or faces are synthetic. And creators must guard against homogenization. Models average. Artists insist on edges. The antidote is deliberate weirdness. Constraints, imperfections, and personal rules that keep your work unmistakably yours. If you're a creator, build a simple stack: a stylebook that defines your voice, a library of prompts and negative prompts, a reference dataset of your prior work, and a feedback circle of trusted humans. Use AI for draft and variation. Reserve your finite energy for the parts only you can do: theme, structure, meaning, and the final cut. The new era won't replace creativity. It will reveal it. In a world where anyone can make something, the question shifts from, can you execute? To, do you have something worth saying? Answer that, and the tools will meet you halfway. Tomorrow, Day 17 goes deep on connection. How emotional AI will reshape friendships, romance, and family life without replacing what makes us human.